In this video, I'll show you how to increase transfer speed of pendrive or USB drive. Firstly, turn off Windows Security temporarily, or press Windows plus L to open Settings app. Go to Update and Security, then Windows Security. Under Protection areas, click Virus and Threat Protection. Manage Settings. Toggle Real-Time Protection and Cloud-Delivered Protection off. The second option is to update your USB drivers. Plug in the USB device in your computer. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on PC or My Computer and select Manage. In the left sidebar, select Device Manager. Expand disk drives and locate your USB drive. Right-click on the USB device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will install the latest driver if available. If updating drivers does not fix the issue, try reinstalling the driver. Follow the steps to navigate to Device Manager, then expand Disk Drives. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Restart your system and check again. And that's it.